Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a fun little bonus video. I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful review mirror car charms. We're going to be using my new Flynn Sisters glass rondelle beads, some glass bugle beads, and a 30mm crystal ball. I'm also going to be using 0.3mm non-stretchy nylon thread. You can also find this on my website. And we're going to start with an 18-inch section of thread here. Obviously you can make these as short or long as you like, but I find that 18 inches is pretty good because you want to have enough slack for them to be able to get it onto the review mirror and get it off. I've got a bead tray here that has inches on it so I can see exactly how long my pattern will be. I don't want this pattern, including the crystal ball, to be much larger than 6 inches if I'm going to be using it for a review mirror, because you don't want it to be too long to where it dangles down and hits the dash. You can also, of course, pattern your beads any way you want. I'm using 4mm beads, then 6mm, then 8mm, 3 10mm for the center, and then just repeating that pattern up at the top. I'll have a close-in view of what my pattern looks like. You can also add in any kind of variety of like metal spacer beads or whatever you'd like. Once I've got my pattern mapped out, I'm going to put 4 bugle beads onto my thread here. Notice I have not tied a knot or anything yet in my thread. So we're just going to thread on these beads, and then once I've got all 4 of the bugle beads on, I'm going to thread on my crystal ball. Now these crystal balls have a hole at the top, perfect for this project. And once we've got the 4 beads on and the crystal ball attached, we're going to tie just a regular double knot with about an inch or so of slack. I'm not sure what you would call this knot, but it's basically just tying it in a loop into a regular knot here with both strands, and then doing the same thing again right over the top of that knot to create a really tight double knot. And you want to pull this as tightly as possible. And then I'm going to just trim off the excess, leaving about, I don't know, maybe 1/10 of an inch or so left over. Next, I'm going to pull that knot through the hole of my crystal until it snaps into place, so that we're hiding the knot for our loop through the hole of that crystal, and it'll sit really snugly into the hole there and hide it. And then I'm going to split up the 4 beads that I had threaded onto our string earlier on either side of the hole. So it just creates a nice little, I don't know, decorative string to hold that ball on. Okay, and then I'm going to take a beading needle, and beading needles are basically like a, I don't know, like an oval loop. I'm going to trim off one side so that I'm left with like a V, and I'm going to use that V to go through the loop that we just created with our thread, and I'm going to bring the V back together to a needle point, and I'm going to use that to thread on our beads. This will make things a lot easier because it's going to be really hard trying to thread those beads onto the end of a loop. Then I'm going to just continue on threading on my beads that I had already patterned on my tray here. Once we got them all threaded on, it should look something like this. Then I'm going to take like a 1.5mm, I think that's the size, crimper bead, and we're going to just string that on with, again, with our trim needle that we've been using. And I'm going to first make sure everything's evened and balanced on our project here so that the beads are situated how I want. And then I'm going to just crimp that crimper bead together with my pliers, and that's going to make sure everything stays in place. And that's really it. These are so easy to make. You can blow through a bunch of these in like a half hour. I think I made this one in like 5-6 minutes. Here's another one I made with like a red and like a purple. So pretty. And next I'll show you how to put it on the review mirror. So you're going to take the loop at the top and put that up and over the review mirror bar, and then you're going to run your crystal ball through the loop so that it just hangs on there just like that. It's super easy to take on and off, but you could see why you wouldn't want to have that loop at the top to be too small, otherwise it's really hard to get it off. Here's the one that I made in pink in my car. Absolutely love it. And these are just so easy and fun to make. You can make them long and hang them in a window at your house or whatever. And you can make them as fancy and as simple as you want. But it's a great way to use up just some extra little beads that you have lying around. This only takes like what, maybe 12 beads and a crystal ball. Super cheap and easy, and they make for a beautiful gift or something to sell at a craft fair. I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.